Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A CPA candidate state that moving into a higher tax bracket causes all taxable income to be taxed at a higher rate. Which response is the most accurate? Now, if this CPA candidate is saying so, I can assure you they will fail the CPA exam. The statement is correct. I already told you that's incorrect. The statement is incorrect because only the excess income is taxed at a higher rate. The statement is correct. We said it's incorrect. Only if they file a joint return, that's incorrect. The statement applies only to state income tax. No, I mean, we don't talk about the state income tax at all. And if anything, the state income tax we were going to see, it's not progressive. You don't pay more if you go into another, if you earn more, or if your tax base changed. So D is incorrect. By process of elimination, B is the correct answer. The statement is incorrect, which is I told you it's incorrect, because only the excess income is taxed at the higher rate. What does that mean? It means as you move from one tax bracket into the other, and what do I mean moving from one tax bracket into the other is this tax bracket here. When you move from the 10% tax bracket to the 12, you pay additional money, additional percentage on this additional amount of money up to $96,950. Then once you earn the additional more than $96,950, once your taxable income is more, you move into the higher bracket, and only the amount above $96,950 up to $206,700 is subject to that additional tax of 22%, so on and so forth. Therefore, the CPA candidate does not understand what they are talking about if they say all the income is taxed at that rate. And this is why I told you when I said obviously the average will be lower, and the reason the average will be lower because there are certain amount that were taxed earlier. Now, if you're taking this question on Farhat Lectures, you can ask the AI to explain the topic. It can explain the incorrect and incorrect answer. And if you like this question, you could ask AI to create a new multiple choice question. Now, whether you are a candidate, CPA exam candidate, accounting student, enrolled agent, it does not matter. Invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, podcasts, multiple choice, video simulations, video MCQs to help you understand the concept better. Invest in yourself. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AICPA questions, previously released AICPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.